going to be showing you guys how to make your very own Harry Potter wreath. Guys, I am blown away with how this turned out. I love it so much. And yes, the DIYs are returning here on my channel, but bear patience with me, guys. I had to get some supplies and stuff like that, think of some videos, and I will be doing more DIYs on this channel again because this was really fun. And around the holidays, it's really awesome to put together your own DIYs and just do your own decor because that's really awesome. And you guys will not believe this, but this wreath costs $10 and under to make. I am mind blown, guys. Like, are you serious? 10 bucks? That's not bad. So let me cut all this chit chat now and let's get right into this video. Alright, now the first thing that I did was I printed out Harry Potter images that I wanted onto my wreath from Google, and I used some Mod Podge to glue them onto this piece of cardboard so that way they will stay on my wreath, and then I just simply cut them out. Alright, next you will need some foam balls. This is to make the golden snitch. You will also need some Mod Podge. So basically I just put my foam ball onto a toothpick to hold it in place and I smothered it in Mod Podge. Guys, this was so fun. It does get messy, but hey, it's crafts and I just love DIYs, guys. This is so fun. I got tired of the brush and I just used my finger, to be honest. It was way quicker. And then the best part is you get some gold glitter, cover your ball, and that is pretty darn awesome. Don't worry, I did not waste this glitter. I put it back into the jar when it was finished, but look how cute that is. It is sparkly, and you could either use foil or feathers for your wings on your snitch. I use feathers and it looks so beautiful. Now once you are done with this step, just put it aside and let it dry. And now I'm going to make my own version of the Hogwarts letter. I'm just going to roll up a scrap piece of paper, honestly, and then once you are finished with that, then I'm going to take some hot glue to stick it together. Then I'm going to cut a piece of ribbon. You could use any color of your choice and just tie it around there, and it looks like a little scroll, and I think that that is so cute. Alright, for the next step, you are going to need some paint. It could be any color of your choice, but I am a proud Gryffindor, so I use red and yellow. And then I'm just going to paint the letter H and P. The H will be red, the P will be yellow later on, which you will see. And guys, you just put that aside and let it dry. This is so fun, quick and easy to me, and this really did not cost that much at all. And now I'm going to paint my letter P yellow, and guys, this was so quick and easy. I did not paint the back of the letters, but you guys could do that if you want to. Alright, and now onto the actual wreath. Guys, this only cost me $1 at the Dollar Tree, and this cute decoration piece cost me only $2 at AC Moore because I had a coupon plus they had a sale. So I'm just going to take my pliers and just snip those pieces off that I want for my wreath. Guys, scissors do not work. I already tried that and it didn't go so well, so I had to use some pliers. So just letting you know that beforehand. Now I'm going to take the little pieces that I snipped off and I'm going to lay that out onto my wreath. Just put a little design together and then I'm going to hot glue everything into place. Guys, I love how this came out in the end. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. It is now time to glue my cute little pictures into place. Now guys, you could either lay this out before you glue it, which I totally recommend just in case you don't like it, because then it would just make a mess and probably ruin your wreath. Guys, look at these cute little touches. It just makes the wreath more magical. And guys, I used a lot of hot glue to stick this guy on here because you know, it's pretty big and I did not want this to fall off my front door when you open and close it. So like I said, I just used a lot of glue and that definitely worked, but just hold it for a little while so that way it can dry. Alright, and now it's time to glue the letters into place. Now guys, when you do this, just hold it down a little bit so that way it will dry. And now I'm going to add this onto my wreath because this makes it look more magical and really cute. I did not really plan a design for this. I kind of just like put glue on it and stuck it somewhere. But like I said, the end results are just amazing and I love how this looks. Look how cute this looks. Personally, it looks like you kind of bought it, and this costs under $10 to make. I do not know if I said that already, but are you serious right now? 10 bucks? That's not bad. Now for some extra pop of color, I'm going to add the red ones. Guys, this is just beautiful. I cannot get over it. Alright my loves, and now for the finishing touch. These beautiful lights were only $2 at AC Moore. Can you guys believe that? I mean, you guys know me and my coupons already. This just makes it look so much more magical. I cannot. My family loved this, and my mom told me it looks like I bought it, so that was a huge compliment. Then I'm going to take this gorgeous piece of ribbon and just tie that around there, because I'm going to use this part to hang onto my door knocker on my front door. And guys, that way it will not fall down. Well, hopefully it doesn't fall down. That would not be good, right? And this just looks so cute on my front door. Look at the finishing touches. Make sure that this dries really good before you hang it up. I let it dry for about an hour and then I hung it up, and it just looks so magnificent. Alright my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine, and leave some comments down below. And guys, as usual, if you guys do recreate this wreath, please tag me in photos. I would love to see your recreations, and you don't have to do exactly what I did in this video. Do it according to your personality. Like I said, it does not have to look like mine. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah! I can feel your energy.